In this video, we're going to look at the logic functions in Excel. In particular, we're going to look at the if function and how to use the if function in our spreadsheet. This is Tech Skills channel. Welcome back. We are going to look at the different Excel logic functions. What are the logical functions? Mainly, the logical functions in Excel are used to test for certain criteria or certain conditions to tell the user if this condition is met or was not met. As if we are saying condition is it true or false. We're going to start with one of the first examples. In this case is the if function. If function belongs to the logical families in Excel functions. The if function takes three parameters. As you remember, we have the name of the function, we have the parentheses, and we have three different parameters. The first parameter is required. That means the condition that you want to test. The second parameter, which is value if it's true. This tells Excel what to do if the condition is met. That means the value you want returned if the result of the logical test is true. The last one, which is value if false, as you see, it has a different layout than the previous one. This one is optional. That means a user can leave that blank. In this case, what do you want Excel to do if the condition was not met? In this case, the value that you want return if the result of the logical test was not met. That means it was false. This is what we are going to look at in this video. I have the following spreadsheet that includes sales of data, and I have a set of data sales here regarding selling electronic devices such as television, cell phones, home theater, etc. and set of furniture as well with desks. Let's say I want to check the number of units sold by every sales manager. If the sales manager managed to sell more than 30 units, then that is called good sales. If the number of units sold is less than 30, then it is bad sales. Let's start by writing here a new column. We're gonna call it condition. Let's change the background and let's type our if function equal if open parentheses. As you see, automatically we have the three different parameters that we need to provide. Now what I'm checking is I'm checking the number of units, so that's the first cell. The if statement does not take range of cells, it takes one cell at a time. So if G2 is greater than 30, comma, that's my condition. What do you want Excel to do? Well, we said we want Excel to print good sales. As you've noticed, I've put the good sales between double quotes to indicate this is the text need to be printed as it is. If the condition is not met, I want Excel to say it's bad sales, or let's say low sales. I'm gonna close the bracket. Now I have good sales because the number of units is greater than 30. Now let's populate this function to the remaining table. So we're gonna scroll down. I'm going to move my cursor to the lower right corner of the cell until I get this black cross. Press and then you drag down. In this case, Excel automatically updates the content of this cell based on the function. if you double click here, you're going to see if G5 Excel automatically updated the cell address to G5 because I've dragged down greater than 30, then it should be good sales. In this case, this one is less than 30, that's why we are going to see low sales. This is how we use if statement in Excel. We're going to see other videos on different usage of the if statement.